Let's say it is my job to review a design that some of our engineers have created. I expect them to be done sometime this week, and I want to be informed when that happens. But how can I get notified without checking the platform every hour? There is a way to get notified when this happens. Let me show you how. Before we move on, I will just stop to mention that in bigger companies you might already have a routine in place for change governance, where the change itself is an item that takes care of notification, who can do what in the change process, and where everything can be traced afterwards. But if you're not a big company, or you want to have a simpler approval process, at least for some content, this might be just the right tip for you. Enter the Portions app. It is included in the 3D Swimmer role, so everyone has it. And if you have additional roles, you can do a bit more with it. In our case, we also have the Collaborative Industry Innovator role. There are many possibilities in here, but for now, let's focus on getting notified. My teammate has recently promoted a physical product to frozen. I have set up the Portion app so that whenever he does that, this will trigger an event that sends me a mail. So here is the notification, and I'll show you how to set it up. We will find the Portion Lab app. First we will create a little tab for it and find the Portion Lab. It is included under the 3D Swimmer role. We will drag the app out to create a widget, and then we will create a new portion. In here we will create a portion with a physical product trigger. We will choose to have the portion trigger when the physical product is set to frozen by specifically my teammate. And there are other fields here that you can fill up, but we will leave this for now. And then we will, with that as a trigger, we will send a notification when that trigger is activated, and we will send a mail this time. We can also send a notification by regular 3DEXPERIENCE notification. That will send you a notification inside the dashboard. In this case, we will create a mail because we are not logged into the platform every day, perhaps. I can insert some more information here. As you can see, you can type in different things, and you can also type something in the body, which is really not necessary, but it's good to have the title of the physical product, for instance. So when that is done, we will press OK and then press the Save and Activate button. Give it a name, and we are good to go. So from now on, every time my teammate sets a physical product to frozen, I will get a mail in my inbox. The good thing about this method is that it works even if my teammate does not know who is going to review his work. This mechanism picks up what he's doing and sends me a notification. So this is how you can set up a simple notification so that you always know when something is ready for approval. I hope that was useful. See you next time.